I've saved thousands and thousands of dollars with this ChatGPT leads hack. And I'm about to show you exactly how you can scrape unlimited leads for completely free. So here we're in ChatGPT. Now, the first step, you're going to go to Google and all you're going to search up is your keyword. So New York plumber, Miami, Florida plumber. And then you're going to put sell and then in quotes at gmail.com. And what this is going to do is it's going to pull up all of the New York plumbers who have sell or at gmail.com in their website. Why is this important? Because if we're doing cold outreach, we can then text or call to a cell phone number that's actually going to deliver, or we can send emails directly to their Gmail. So all I did here is I typed in New York plumber sell and look what came up. All these plumbers. Now, for some reason, sometimes Google doesn't allow you to actually change the amount of search results that you can get on the same page. My Chrome browser is like not letting me do it, which is totally fine. If yours does, then congratulations. But if it doesn't, all you have to do now after you type this in, click search, it's going to search, and all you do is click Command A. So I'm going to click that right now, Command A. I'm going to copy, go over to ChatGPT. All we're going to tell ChatGPT is, I need you to take the information I give to you and give me a CSV file with business name, phone number, and email and website so that I can export. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that, just click send, and it says, got it, just paste the info here. Okay, so all I'm going to do is paste the info here, and it should come back with a perfect ready to use CSV file. Okay, so it created the file. Let's open that up. And here you have the file ready to copy and paste into Google Sheets, Excel, whatever you want to do with this information, it's ready to go. So it produces a ready to use list. And the funny thing is most businesses are on Google My Business, but some aren't. So not only are you grabbing the people who are already on Google My Business, but the people who only have websites and aren't as tech savvy, which are going to be your ideal clients, right? People who aren't as tech savvy, they need your help, are also going to be listed here. So you're going to find businesses that have been around for 45 years and still don't have a Google business profile. So unlike a lot of these lead scraping tools that only scrape Google Maps, you're actually going and getting all these different businesses from the Google search itself. So let's try a different one. Let's do Miami, Florida, plumber, sell at gmail.com and search. Okay, so see, now we have all these different websites. And if you look carefully, I'll see if I can find one, but if you look carefully, a lot of the times the smaller companies are the one-man band. Again, these are the people who you want to be reaching. A lot of those companies will use numbers that go directly to their cell phones. So this is way more powerful for actually reaching the decision maker rather than paying for lead scraping tools. And then you end up just getting the general phone number line that goes to Betty, the secretary, who would do anything in order to stop you from talking to the business owner. Let's do roofers, sell, gmail.com. Let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, so this is another perfect example. So all you're going to do is just copy and paste these over into ChatGPT. Go to the next page, copy and paste. So now I'm going to ask it to export in a CSV. So now if I copy and paste this information, I can put it right into a sheet. So just copy and paste it directly into Google Sheets and then select all these cells and just go to data and select split text to columns. Now we have all this data fresh and ready for us to use, which is fantastic. So again, you can just go through page by page by page. You can sit down and do this for 15, 20 minutes and get super high quality information compared to just like the lead scraping tools that end up having like a 20% hit rate anyways. So this is an awesome way to find exactly what we're looking for. And I know some of you are on a tight budget trying to start your agency. So this is a great way to get started for completely for free. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. In the next couple of videos, I'm gonna be coming out with some brand new ways I've discovered to scrape leads on complete autopilot with some AI automations. Again, if you need my help starting and scaling your agency and you want to learn from my 6-figure experience, or if you're a company who's looking to leverage my years of experience to help you optimize your marketing and sales efforts so that they actually produce an ROI, book a call with me down below in the description. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.